The first thing we do is check for square by a variety of measurements. We repair the drywall and then adjust the rough opening to receive the new stair. The only preparation required on the unit itself is a hex nut and threaded rod at each corner. Once the unit is in place and square to the room, the joist hangers are installed from the attic side of the ladder. Now it's time to install the lag bolts. First we lay them out, then we pre-drill. After pre-drilling, we shim for proper spacing, and lastly we install the lags. Using spray foam in the gap assures an air-sealed installation. Downstairs, with the stair extended, we adjust the two stabilizer arm adjustment screws. We screw the door opening hook to the wood dowel and open the Prestige ladder by pulling out, then down. Notice the solid catch and the thick door with R15 insulation. Well, that about does it for the installation of the Rainbow Attic Stair. The Prestige model is what you saw us install. I hope that helps with your understanding of the product, its features, and the installation procedures. That brings us to about the halfway point on the retrofit here, the energy retrofit that we're doing for this particular homeowner. The nice thing about the Rainbow Attic Stair for me as an energy auditor is that it solves the common problems I see with attic ladders, and that is thermal value and weather stripping. It has both features and it's easy to put in. So we like this product. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.